Hi and welcome back. In the previous video, we have introduced ourselves with this stack data structure. If you have not seen the previous video, then please go back and watch that video about the stack. And if in case you have not accessed my playlist on the data structures and algorithms, then you can go back to my channel page and you can access this playlist. In this, I have explained all the important points of the linked list and the sorting algorithms till now. And also there is code in it in C and C++. I have explained each and every topic along with the code, right? So as you can see, I have discussed the linked list, then how to print the linked list, how to implement the singly and the doubly linked list part. Okay, so if you have not accessed this playlist, then please go back and access it. Okay, coming back to this video. So in this video, we are going to basically discuss that how to implement the stack, right? So stack, just revise it and so we know that stack is a linear data structure which is based on the LIFO and the philo principle. LIFO means last in first out and the philo means first in last out. Both are opposite to each other, right? Okay, so now let's see, and also we have discussed that we can implement this stack by using the linked list and also by using the arrays. So first we are going to see that how to implement this stack using arrays, right? Okay, so you can see the dynamic memory allocation or the memory allocated for the array, what we understand is look like this, right? So array that we have studied till now look like this according to us, right? Okay, and stack that we have studied till now is look like this according to us, right? So if you see, if we want to implement the stack using the array, then you can see that if we just rotate this array, right, by 90-degree in anti-clockwise direction, then we get this stack, right? So stack is nothing but it is a kind you can see that stack is kind of implementation which can be done using arrays, right? This is how we can implement the stack using arrays. We just need to see this array in a different perspective or in a different manner by rotating it 90-degree anti-clockwise, right? So this was the array which we think in our mind, or this is how it is allocated into the RAM, and this is the stack how we understand or how we let's say visualize the stack, right? Okay, so we can see this, we can visualize this and understand that yes, we can implement the stack using arrays. Okay, now let's see that what is the structure now, right? So the structure for the stack is you can see we need to define the user made data type, which is struct stack, and into this we'll have three parts. First will be top, second will be capacity, and third will be array. So top is of data type integer, capacity is of data type unsigned. Unsigned means this capacity cannot be negative, right? And the third one is the pointer to the integer and its name is array, right? So we'll see them in detail in this video only, so keep calm. Okay, okay, so let's see that what are the functionalities of all these three. So why we need top in the structure for the stack is because we always need the pointer which can point at the top of the stack, right? So if we have discussed in the previous video that whatever the operation happens, that happens from the top. Either we push the element, then that element will be pushed at the top only. Either we pop the element, or we call the pop function on the stack, then that will happen on the top element only, right? Okay, that's why we need the top pointer which will always store the index of the topmost element, right? What is capacity here? It's the size of the stack. That means what will be the size of the stack, right? And what is array here? Array is a pointer which will be pointing to the array that we'll be using as stack, right? So this is an array which we are using or implementing as stacks, right? So what we have done here is that we have seen that how we can implement the array as a stack, right? We just need to see the array in a different way, then we'll get the stack, right? So to define the stack, we need some few things, like we need a pointer which always points to the topmost element of the stack. We need the capacity of the stack, and we need a pointer which will store the address of this array, right? So to combine this, we can say that we need a structure, right? That's why the structure for a stack will look like this. Okay, let's go into the detail about this, right? So if you see, if we define a structure of the stack, then we'll have this, which have so this structure will have three parts. First will be top, second will be capacity, and third will be the pointer to the array. You can see this top value is 3. That means it is saying that, look, I am pointing to the index 3, right? Capacity is saying that, oh look, the capacity of the stack is 5. This block is storing the address of this array, right? That means this was the int star array, right? Int star array. Okay, so this will store the address of this whole array. So this is the actual array which is going to act as stack, right? Okay, fine. Note here that we know that the top always points to the topmost element of the stack, but in this case the top is pointing to the element 8, which is wrong here. Okay, so let's just correct it out here. We'll just, what we'll do is that we'll cross it, and the top is pointing here because this is the say the topmost element of the stack, right? And this should be 4 here, so you just make sure that you make 4 here, right? Now it's correct, fine. Okay, I hope you have understood it, right? So if you see, the actual structure goes like this. So it has the three parts. First is the top. You can see this is the top part, which stores the index of the topmost element of the stack, right? Okay. Another is the capacity, which stores the size of the stack, and third is the pointer to the integer, this int star array. So what that stores is that it stores the address of the array which is going to act like a stack. So this is the array, and the address of this array has been stored into this. Okay, so int star array is the pointer to the array that will act as a stack. Okay, I hope you have understood this part completely. Okay, so above is the actual representation of the stack, that how it looks like. Okay, for this video, so I hope you have understood the structure and how the stack looks like, and how we can implement the stack using arrays. In the next video, I will write the code, okay, to implement the stack using arrays. So that's it for this video. Thank you, and Jai Hind.